Let's talk about Vinfast as they made news over the last couple of days. We can go straight to the daily chart, and we can see price did hit lows back in October at the roughly $4.50 level, and then made a higher high, closing above this support resistance band. Let's scroll out to the weekly just so we can see that. So you had a drop in price, huge basin candle and a drop. So that was a seller's level on the weekly chart. So that was made it resistance. So going back to the daily chart, we can see price broke through that and closed below. And uh, this is also considered a W pattern, typically denoted by a double bottom. So to me, that was bullish, as potentially we saw a bottoming out process occurring. And then when we had the close above the resistance level, this was another seller's level right here, as you can see. I was anticipating a pullback to the near the apex of that W pattern, but primarily was expecting a leg higher. So we didn't quite get that. We saw price stall at the $6.50 level, and in the process formed a daily bias level. Now, why did this level fail? Well, this was the pivot high. This was the origin of the leg higher, but because price couldn't take out this pivot high, that meant the sellers were in control, which lowered the probability of this daily bias level working out. So let's get into the news, and then we'll conclude where price is heading next. So Vinfast announced Thursday the delivery of nearly 35,000 cars in 2023, falling short of its initial target of at least 40,000 units. Here's what the CEO of sales had to say. We saw a significant ramp up in vehicle deliveries in the fourth quarter. However, against a challenging market backdrop, EV adoption rate in certain regions has been slow, leading to fewer deliveries than we anticipated. Now, while Vinfast did not provide a detailed breakdown of market-specific sales, in the announcement, approximately 60% of deliveries during the second and third quarter were directly towards Green SM, an affiliate of Vinfast. So most of their cars that they sold was to their own company. GSM, a Vietnamese based taxi operator and leasing provider, is predominantly owned by Vinfast's CEO. Now, the automaker recently revealed plans to establish manufacturing and battery facilities in India. Additionally, the company is eyeing expansion into more markets in the Middle East, Latin America, Asia, and Indonesia. So, if you believe in Vinfast longer term, prices are near the all-time lows. Challenges for Vinfast include their quality of the cars, also their ability to break into the U.S. market, although China is the largest EV market in the world, just to note. Nevertheless, where's price heading next? All right. So this is called a flip zone. You do have now a daily seller's level at $7. And already that setup did work, as you had a leg out candle. So you had the leg in, 3 basing candles, a leg out. Price came back twice to fill any unfilled sell orders, and now we see price gapping down, breaking the support level at 650. Now when I look at the double bottom, I don't see a huge volume coming in, and so there's no reason why price cannot retest the $5 level. That's a round hole psychological number. So that is my next target. We are getting a bounce today, but I anticipate price continuing to move down at least another dollar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.